In this video, we will be telling about how to set up Face ID in Apple iPhone. In most of the case, when you are setting up your Apple iPhone only, you may set your Face ID. But if you have not set or you want to reset your Face ID, what you need to do is open settings. When you are opening settings, when you are scrolling down, you can see one option Face ID and passcode. When you are clicking on that, if passcode is there, you need to enter that passcode. Otherwise, you will directly reach this page. Here, if already one Face ID is there, what you need to do is click on Reset Face ID. When you are clicking on that, your old Face ID will be deleted. Or till now, if you have not set your Face ID, you can see an option like this, Set up Face ID. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see one option, Get Started. Click on Get Started. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here in this area, your face should be there. For that, hold your phone towards your face. After holding, turn your face 180 degrees. When you are turning your face, Face ID will be set up, and after that you will reach a page like this. Here if you want to add one more face, you can click on Use Face ID with a mask, or you can click on Setup Later. Anyways, I am clicking on Setup Later. When you are clicking on that, here you can see Face ID is now set up. After that, click on this Done button. When you are clicking on that, your Face ID will be set. And one thing is that if you have not set passcode, you should set passcode also. For that, just type any passcode and confirm that passcode. Sometimes you will be asked to enter your Apple ID password also. You need to enter that also. And when you are clicking on signing in, your Face ID will be set. If passcode is already set, you cannot see that option. Anyways, this way you can easily set your Face ID in Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.